Welcome back to The Explainer. Today we are tackling one of the absolute most critical technology decisions facing organizations right now in 2026. We're jumping right into the heart of the expanding Google Workspace AI ecosystem. Look, artificial intelligence has fully transitioned from this, speculative buzzword into the literal, fundamental infrastructure of the modern workplace. It's everywhere. But with that rapid evolution, a massive point of confusion has popped up for IT leaders across the board. Whether you're navigating the commercial sector looking for serious ROI, or you're a public sector leader trying to manage strict government mandates, the sheer volume of AI options out there can be totally overwhelming. So we're going to clear that fog today. We're going to completely dissect the difference between Gemini Enterprise and the Gemini Enterprise app.
So ask yourself this: are you buying an application or an ecosystem? It sounds like a super simple question, right? But this is the exact dilemma shared by chief information officers in the commercial sector and procurement officers in the public sector alike. You know you need to deploy AI, but you might be sitting there asking yourself, okay, which one of these do I actually need to hit my strategic goals? It's a vital question to ask, really, because understanding this distinction ensures your organization doesn't just casually use AI, but actually evolves with it.
All right, here is our flight plan for today's Agentic Transformation. We're going to cover Section 1, the AI Buyer's Dilemma. Section 2, the app, your AI cockpit. Section 3, Enterprise, the Agentic Ecosystem. Section 4, head-to-head comparison. Section 5, securing public and commercial data. And finally, Section 6, transforming with Daston Corporation. Let's get started with Section 1, the AI Buyer's Dilemma, and defining the metaphor. Okay, let's clearly define our terms here, and we're going to use a really helpful metaphor because, honestly, it makes it so much easier to grasp. Think of the Gemini Enterprise app as your cockpit. It is the primary user-facing interface where your employees actually sit down and interact directly with Google's large language models. It's the dashboard. But the full Gemini Enterprise license, that is the heavy-duty aircraft, the hangar, and the air traffic control system all combined into one giant package. It is the comprehensive, foundational infrastructure that makes the entire flight possible in the first place. Moving right along to Section 2, the app, your AI cockpit, and how it empowers the individual. So the app basically serves as your front door to AI. It provides a highly secure, conversational environment for your everyday workforce. If your main objective right now is to give your employees a powerful, intuitive tool to just supercharge their personal productivity, this is exactly where your journey begins. Imagine a user inputting massive, complex data sets, like say a dense 500-page federal regulation or a full decade's worth of commercial sales data. The app is going to synthesize that into predictive insights or crisp executive summaries in literal seconds. And hey, by 2026, we aren't just talking about text anymore. This includes high-fidelity multimodal outputs. We're talking generating professional-grade images and video content right there for your briefings. But the crucial point here, the thing you absolutely need to take away, is what we call the 2026 secret sauce, and that is the agent designer. Historically, if you wanted to build any kind of automation, you had to call in a specialized engineering team, right? Well, not anymore. The agent designer democratizes this capability through a super simple no-code interface. Let's make this real for a second. An HR manager at a state agency can now build a custom skill that automatically parses incoming job applications against really specific civil service requirements. Or over in the commercial sector, a project manager can design an agent that watches Jira tickets and automatically updates a Salesforce account the second a milestone is met. It literally transforms the app from a basic chatbot into a full-blown launchpad for departmental automation. All right, Section 3, Enterprise, the Agentic Ecosystem, and driving systemic transformation. Now, the enterprise tier dramatically expands the horizon. We are zooming way out here. This isn't just about an individual drafting an email anymore. This is the overarching umbrella license that connects your everyday employees, your high-code developers, and even your end customers. Because you're operating on one unified architecture, it allows agents and data to move seamlessly across your entire enterprise. It completely eliminates that annoying handoff tax between the back-end tools that your developers build and the front-end experiences that your employees and customers actually end up using. This is where we build out the full, heavy-duty architecture, the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. Think of it as the ultimate command center for your IT department. While your everyday employees are using the app to build small-scale personal agents, this platform is where IT can build, scale, govern, and optimize robust autonomous agents that are interacting with live, complex databases. In a commercial setting, you might be deploying customer success agents.
In the public sector, this allows for public assistance agents that help citizens navigate social services. Basically, it provides the backbone for these tools to run autonomously and, most importantly, securely at a massive scale.
Let's jump into Section 4, the head-to-head comparison, app versus enterprise.
When we look at the core purpose here, the split is incredibly clear. The app is your absolute go-to for personal productivity enhancement. But enterprise? That's your organization-wide front door for discovery and systemic, large-scale automation. When it comes to data grounding, the app looks at personal drives in the public web. Enterprise, on the other hand, grounds itself in your full tech stack. Salesforce, SAP, Jira, Microsoft 365, the whole 9 yards. Finally, let's look at action capability. The app is great for drafting and summarizing content for sure, but the enterprise ecosystem actually executes real-world multi-step workflows across your business silos. Like, it can literally go in and create a ServiceNow incident completely autonomously. It's a game changer.
Section 5, securing public and commercial data, trust, and sovereignty. Now, for the public sector especially, this is huge. These steps ensure that your proprietary government data is strictly yours. Gemini Enterprise is built entirely on the principle that your data is never, ever used to train global models. First up, we have Model Armor. This provides real-time security to inspect interactions and protect against prompt injection and data leaks. Second, VPC service controls. These literally wrap your AI operations within your own digital four walls. And third, compliance readiness. The platform is designed from the ground up to satisfy the absolute most rigorous cybersecurity frameworks out there, including FedRAMP High for government agencies and SOC 2/3 for commercial entities. This right here is exactly how you scale a digital workforce with the exact same rigor as your most critical cloud workloads.
Finally, Section 6, transforming with Daston Corporation, your Google Premier partner.
Look, simply buying a software license is not enough to guarantee success. It just isn't. Transitioning to an agentic workflow is a profound strategic shift for any organization. You need a guide. You need a Google Premier partner who actually understands both the rigid, uncompromising compliance mandates of the public sector and the demand for rapid ROI in the commercial sector. That is exactly where Daston Corporation steps in. They don't just flip a switch and say good luck, they ensure your entire infrastructure is mission-ready from day one.
Daston provides this incredibly fluid, comprehensive roadmap for end-to-end implementation. First, they start by actually identifying the specific agentic use cases that will yield real productivity gains for your team, not just theoretical ones. Then, they execute the unglamorous but totally vital work of data hygiene and permission mapping. They configure your model armor and security protocols to lock down your IP. And perhaps most importantly, they provide the change management and staff training required so your people actually know how to use tools like the Agent Designer. They literally take you by the hand from the initial security configuration all the way to full-scale, confident production. Well, we have covered a whole lot of ground today, zooming all the way from the individual cockpit of the Gemini app out to the massive ecosystem of Gemini Enterprise. I want to leave you with this final, somewhat provocative thought. The era of the simple chatbot, yeah, it's officially ended. So are you ready to define your strategy, whether you need to just empower your staff with the app or completely overhaul your operational model with the full enterprise ecosystem? It is time to take action. Reach out to Daston Corporation to ensure your journey is secure, efficient, and truly transformative. Keep learning, stay focused, and we'll catch you on the next explainer.